Welcome back to another episode of Tech and Tesla. So while everyone is out there doing full self-drive, because we don't have that, I'm going to do something a little bit different for you. If you're getting sick of watching those videos, hopefully you came across this one. So if you saw one of my earlier videos, you saw I got the magnetic license plate holder, the auto steer, and while that has served me good and I like it, especially being able to pull your license plate down and wash the car, things like that, I actually had it fall off going through a car wash. So now I'm gonna get all the comments yelling at me, you can't go do a car wash with the Tesla. Well, I did, everything came out fine. There were no scratches or anything like that. But it did knock the license plate holder off, and I was dragging it because I have the wire here for the camera. That's from the hand show screen, which I don't know if I really need the camera. Hasn't really come in all that useful yet, but there is a way to lock this on with the Allen screws. I've since lost them. So the other reason why I want to switch it out is I'm going to show you the little fins under here are kind of deformed to hold this in place. Okay, if you look here, in here, you can see the fins are kind of deformed a little bit. Hopefully they come back when I take this off, but I don't really care for that all that much. So let's go ahead and remove this. I'm gonna show you what I got. Okay, as usual, I wanna do the unboxing with you guys. So I haven't taken anything out yet. This is how it comes. 1975 Creations, Quick Bandit. So 3 steps, looks a lot simpler than the auto steer, which requires 4 Allen screws. I don't know if I'm going to be able to mount the camera on here. I might just do away with the camera. It's not really all that useful for me. But this appears to be very nice quality. All right, let's take a look at how to install this. The only screw that's involved with this is on the left side is just a screw here to lock this crossbar. So we're gonna put it in, push the crossbar down, and then you tighten this screw so it doesn't fall off. So this doesn't work its way up because that's the unlocked position. So let's see how this is gonna look. Step 1 says with the crossbar in the up, open, align and position the V slot, which is this part here, the V slot here, with the center vertical grill divider. I envy you guys that live in states where you don't need this. Car looks so much better without it, but I know I'll get pulled over. Let's push this down. That's it. So there's no touching here, just like the auto steer. And it's 1 screw to tighten. So when you want to wash your car, you just 1 Allen screw away and you can take it off. All right, so that's just a quick video on the 1975 Creations Quick Bandit. So hope you enjoyed. If you liked, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe, and drive safe.